I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in, follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time, darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I...
Good day, especially to you, ma'am. Ang napili ko po is nature table. What is the meaning of nature table? Nature table, a table on which items collected from nature, such as seeds, rock, birds as seeds, etc., and displayed in order to teach children about the natural world. What is the importance of nature table? The direct stress sets up a nature table in an area of the classroom. The purpose of the nature table is for children to observe and explore anything that has been brought from nature into the classroom. Thank you.